Hello, good morning, friends and family, Bitcoin lovers, Bitcoin family, everybody. Welcome to the new episode of Milad Crypto. Today it's 25 September, and we're gonna make a great show. We're gonna discuss some Bitcoin, and I promised you guys for this show we're gonna take a look at the Hoppy coin also because it made a significant rise yesterday before I made the other video. So let's also keep an eye on it. Let's make a short video this time from Bitcoin because it didn't really change a lot. Let's go to the charts, guys. Like we still in this range since March. This is the weekly chart, guys. We are in the range. We are now fighting between 63 and 64. It's now in this range bound, but let's do first the week. When we are in the hours, I'm gonna show it more clearly how it looks like. First of all, guys, a sip of the coffee, always good for the beginning of the show. Sorry. Okay, let's see. The weekly chart, it's still the same. We are in this big range from March. We need to break out 60. Let's see, 67. Let's say 67. We need to have a couple candles above 67 or just one weekly candle with the body closing above 67. That will be a really good sign that we're gonna retest the end bus, the previous high, what we yesterday discussed, and that's around 70k. So, but first of all, we need to break this line, guys. This is short saying. The MACD, CMF, and the RSI is still the same. It's good. It's rising, and let's see if the bulls can keep this like this, and so we can go up, and we can break this line. What we couldn't like 6 months now, guys. It's really getting annoying for all the Bitcoin lovers, for all the crypto investors. It's really getting annoyed because it's now 4 times on row, 4 times it's rejected. The bears took over when it's near this line, and let's see, guys. This time it's the last quarter, the Q4. Everybody know the Q4. It's a good month, good 3 months. So let's hope for the best and let's try to break this 67k line. Okay, let's go to the 4-day charts. The 4-day charts, it's looking the same like almost the weekly. We need to break at least one candle above this 67,000, 67. Yeah, let's say 67, because if it's like a little bit lower, like 66 and a half, then we are exactly at this downwards sloping channel, the resistance line. So we need to be a little bit above, let's say 70k. If we can one candle close above 70k with the 4-day candle, I'm very, very bullish with the Bitcoin price, and I think we can really rise fast to the 100k, guys. And who knows what happened after the 100k. Now we go to the daily chart. The daily chart, it looks good. Just we really need to break this line. And this is now at 66 800s. Let's say if we can have 3 candles closing above this line, the 67, it means it's a good sign. Just with the way how I trade, we're gonna have tomorrow we're gonna have a hard day, or after tomorrow it can have a little couple days drop, maybe 3 or 4 days on reversing candle, and let's see if that happen. Then like, let's see, we are now at Wednesday. Maybe after the weekend, maybe Monday, the weekend go a little bit down, and then we make a huge move up, something like this, maybe here, and then we go like retest the 61, and from there we go up. Let's hope that's the scenario. let's see if this can happen. But for now, we need to break this line. However, if we do it now these days or after the weekend, normally in the weekend there is not so much volume in the market because the stock market is also closed. So let's see what we can do in the weekend. You never know, but normally it's like not so much volume in the weekend. Normally Mondays, then should Monday be the big move, but let's see. The CMF, the cash money flow, is rising. That's a good sign. The RSI, it's still above the yellow, and that's good. It's as long we stay above the yellow line, it's a good sign that we're gonna move up. The 4-hour chart. Here we can see more like we are above all the moving average, guys. The 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200. This is the 200, this is the 50. This is the 100, this is the 50, and this is the 20. You see that we didn't come under the 4-hour, the 20 EMA. We didn't come under since now already, let's say 17, almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks we didn't come under. Maybe a little wick, but I mean we didn't really close under. We didn't close under actually at all. So let's see if we can stay above this 20 moving average, and if we can stay above it, let me delete this line from yesterday. If we can stay above it, that's a good indication, and then we need to break the 64,750. If we break this, I think we're really gonna reach we go directly to the 66K, 67K, and from there it gets really hard, because it's really hard to break this. If we break this line, like I say, it can go like a rocket up. So we need to really watch very well the market. What happened when we reach this 67K? It's now the main issue for the way up. The CMF, it's going a little bit down, but it's okay. It's okay. It can now go up again. Like you see, it went up and down here a little bit. The RSI, it's okay. It's okay. It's neutral, but it's moving up. And the MACD, it's fine. Just it's better, of course, when the green line go above the red line. It means like the bulls take over and they push it up. But like how you see it here, like we have from here a higher high. And here we have, let's see, here we have like almost the same lower low. This you can see it like a little bit higher because the wick went directly up. Here we have a higher low, and here we have again a higher low. If we keep this, if we stay above 62,800, it means we have a higher low again. So then we need to make the market. The bulls need to push it up, so that we go above this line. What I took here, like this line. This is now the resistance line. So let's see if we can keep above the resistance line, and hopefully we can keep here, and we go up. Let's go the 1 hour. Let's see what happened in the 1 hour. The 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour, like you see, we went up until 64,800. 64,800, the bears take over and they push it down. Like, look guys, until we stay above the green line, which you see here, that's the 100 EMA. As long as we stay above this, it looks all fine, it looks all good, and even if we stay above 62,800, actually this is the real support now. If we go under 62,800, it really can be that we go 1k or 2k under and then we push up like we spoke in the weekly chart. So let's see if we can keep this 62,800. Like, it's a good short trade in my opinion if we reach around 62,800 or maybe a little bit above, and then take the trade. And from there you can have a tight stop loss. Like, you can put like a stop loss here, a little bit under this line. It's like at 62,600, let's say. Then you have a little risk, because if it's go up, it go up, and if it's go down, you just directly have a stop loss, and you lose a little bit, but you didn't lose too much. Like, the risk ratio need always be more. The the reward need always be more than the lose. So that's like your edge. Your edge need always have some 1 to 3 ratio, like that you win more than you lose. Because then you can lose sometimes a trade, because nobody, of course, always wins a trade. Sometimes you lose a trade, and when you lose a trade, it should not be so much that you have too much pain. So you need to continue. See it like if you are if you fall from an apartment from the 11 grade, then you fall hard and you end. You need to go to the hospital or you die. It's the same like trading. If you fall from the first department, it's okay. You maybe you fall a little bit, but you can continue. But if you fall from a skydiver, then you cannot tell it anymore. You cannot survive. So that's the same with trading. Try to keep the losses really short and little. And when you are in a winning trade, how I do it, it's like I try to, when we push up, I try to see where is the next support and move my support up, so I can take a good profit. I don't cash out too fast, so I lose a big amount what I could win. You understand, guy, what I mean? So try. You can stay in the market and you can lower your risk to keep an eye on the support in the lower time frame. So if it goes under the support, you sell it and you still have the profit. But about this, I'm gonna make a video how you can make the best trades in like the less risk, and that you have a good risk ratio award, like that you can in the long term win more than you lose. And I think that's everything what we need to consider in the market, because everybody lose, but we need to keep the losses a little bit lower than the profit. Okay, enough about this. So we saw the Bitcoin chart. The Bitcoin chart, it's now in this between the 62,800 and let's say 64,800, 65. So if it's break this line, it means we go up. If we break this line, probably we go a little bit down, and then we need to consider where the market, when the bulls take it over again. So like I said, we promised to do the Hoppy coin. The Hoppy coin, yesterday we talked about it, guys, and look, the Hoppy coin, what happened yesterday. Like, we talked about it yesterday, and it was around, I think it was around here, like yesterday. Yeah, it was around 86. And look what the move it made in 1 day time. It went up almost 30%. Yeah, it went up 30%. We have now a pull down, so it went until 3011, and then now we make a little bit a pullback. I think it will stay above the 20 EMA, so it's a good, for me personally, it's a good buy above this yellow line. And when we break the yellow line, I mean with break close under it, so not not a wick, just really close, one candle under it, then you can just take the take out the trade and just wait again, because then like the structure is not anymore right, because until now like the structure has go up, and this is from the short term, guys. If you look long term, it looks different. But yeah, like you see, it's going really well, and I expect more upwards. Maybe there are some pullbacks, but I expect more upwards moves. Let's see the 1 day, for example, how it looks. You see, guys, when it broke this line, when it broke this resistance line, what it had until from, let's say, end Augustus, when it broke here, it just went up from this moment, from the break here, because this was really a nice trade. Like I took personally the trade exactly from this point, from the break. So it's already double, guys. It's 94% up, and that's a good trade. I expect tomorrow or after tomorrow a little pullback of from the weekend, maybe 2 to 3 days a pullback, and from there we can push it up again. I really think this coin it can reach again the all-time high. Let me be very clear, guys. This is not financial advice. This is not absolutely not what I say that you need to buy it. I personally buy it, and it's just my investment, my opinion, and I'm in it. If I have nice trades, I share it with you guys. What you do with it, with the information, is up to you. Don't forget, you are always the boss of your own decisions. Never let other people make your decisions, because it doesn't go end well. Try always make your own decisions and do good investigation. And I think like this you can stay in the market. If you listen to any YouTuber, all the YouTubers, everybody say something, nobody know 100% of course what will happen in the market. It's just a guess, but of course you need to have a good edge, and you need to have a plan. If you have a good plan, you can reach higher and you can win. We're gonna try together. I will try, you guys, because I have like now around 2016. It's around 8-9 years experience in the trading, in the cryptocurrency trading, before I also trade in the stock market. I have like this experience, and I want to share it with you guys, that you guys don't make these mistakes what I did. So maybe we can together, like I can give you guys tips. You always can send a comment. I try to answer the comments if you have a questions. I'm glad to help you guys to reach together to a place that we can make some profit and be happy, guys, because I see the bull market is coming, and I just wanna don't make the mistakes what I made 10 years ago, because it's gonna cost you so much more to win again. So try to read a lot about it, try to win information, try to listen to the right guys, and for sure it will be good, and maybe you will be very happy in this bull market. Okay, for now, guys, it was nice for today. Today was a Wednesday, great Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm back with you guys. I hope you guys subscribe. If you like the show, put a like. I will take 1 hour, half hour a day or more to provide you guys for good content, and maybe helping with some trading tips and etc. And let's see. If you guys like it, just put a like, and I wish you guys a great Wednesday. I see you hopefully tomorrow. Have a good day. Ciao.